Hello everyone, and in today's video we will talk about Fliki. It is an AI-powered tool that helps you create videos and voiceovers using text. You can provide a script or blog post, and Fliki will generate a video with a realistic voiceover in just a few minutes. You can earn money by promoting Fliki through the affiliate program. On joining Fliki, you get a unique link which can be used to earn a commission of 30% on every sale. You even get bonuses. You get $250 when you refer 25 paying users, $500 when you refer 50 paying users, and $1,000 when you refer 100 paying users. These bonuses are separate from the commissions and are laid on a quarterly basis. Fliki's affiliate program is one of the best, with 30% lifetime commission on every sale and a 30 days cookies period. You get paid monthly via Wise or PayPal with minimum payout of $40 for Wise and $100 for PayPal. When you join, you get access to the promotional kit, which includes assets such as banners, logos, and materials, which help you promote Fliki. There are some restrictions though. You cannot run ads or promo sites. This would lead to the suspension of the account. You can read the terms by clicking on this link. Fliki is loved by its users with great stats all across the board. It stands out. With a growing user base and great affiliation program, there is no reason you shouldn't join it. The link to the affiliate program is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.